Assalamu alaikum, dear teachers. In this short training video, I will demonstrate how you can track student progress in a chapter using e-learninggate in a simple and effective way. First, log in using your teacher credentials. Here you can see my name displayed as the teacher. Now, go to your assigned course. For example, I will open Cambridge Physics. Click on the course. Inside the course, you will see different sections, and within those sections, you will find the chapters. I am going to open the first chapter. Now you can see all the activities inside this chapter. Every activity is visible here. Some activities may appear locked. This means the student must complete the previous activity with the required passing percentage before the next activity unlocks. This ensures mastery before progression. At the end of the chapter, you can also see the feedback section, where students provide feedback on their learning experience. On the right-hand side, you will see the completion progress section. These blocks represent each activity inside the chapter. Each block corresponds to one activity. Now click on Overview of Students. Here you can see the progress of all students. Select your class. For example, I will select Class 10F. You can clearly see how many activities each student has completed. The total completion percentage. Green ticks representing passing grades. Red crosses representing failed activities. This gives you immediate clarity about student performance. If you want to communicate with a specific student regarding their progress, simply click on the student's name. Then click Send Message. A new message window will open. Type your message. For example, "Hi dear, please complete your pending tasks." Now, let us log in as that student. When the student refreshes the portal, they will see the message notification. Click on the message. Here student can see the message sent by the teacher, including the date and time. The same message is also automatically sent to the student's registered email. Let us open the student's email. You can see the exact same message received, with date and time. This ensures communication is transparent and documented. This is how teachers can track chapter progress in real time, identify weak or inactive students, communicate directly with students, maintain record for parent meetings or supervisory discussions. This system allows us to move from guesswork to structured, data-driven monitoring. Learning becomes measurable. Progress becomes visible. Intervention becomes timely. Thank you.